beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. My darling people, today's topic is about Bobrisky. The girl wey Bobrisky help wey dey in house. Now the matter I want to talk about today because this video don dey go viral ever since. Now say today make I shook mouth put my darling people. To help person for this life again. Now bad thing o. Because I remember when this girl come from Abidjan when Bobrisky all those tattoo they come dey draw now. When Bobrisky come say anybody wey draw a tattoo, he go dey give them money. One old woman first come out that day say no give them money. Now the girl wey see people for house now, like can see cry come out now say Bobrisky no give am money. Say no help am throughout when she stay the house. So the thing called the shocktalize me. I say but Bobrisky talk say he give this girl. He help because when the girl dey house, even through Bobrisky, now people come dey follow this girl for Instagram. The girl can't get many followers for Instagram, you know. I can't be surprised now when be say the girl now they talk say Bobrisky, because the girl don't come up for Bobrisky house. Bobrisky don't drive am. He can't spoil Bobrisky. They say Bobrisky na bad person. And so Bobrisky no help am. So she did talk so many things. Say I seen do follow Bobrisky. Bobrisky not going help am. Now I shocked because when the girl did there, I said the girl they live where she did okay, you know. Because now she said she want to do PA for Bobrisky. But we don't know why now the girl can't spoil a name, now they spoil a family name. That make this life more than not the carry person one and not know come house again. Because they can't get to the information. Now the girl now don't know many things about Bobrisky now. That to come spoil the name now. More than listen to what they talk.
Doing my work as a PA, shaving his chest full of hair, helping him to dress, helping him to wear his clothes, helping him to pick his food, helping him to do everything, helping him to wear his fake house, his pampers. Okay. I'll be happy going there and read your
in the airport they wear a pampers.
house, fake life, help your family. Help your brother that is following you like goat. We moved to mainland in his friend's house because all the toilets are spoiled. You can't bathe and the water will go. Even if you shit, you can't put water there. All the toilets are spoiled. So we went to his friend's house in mainland. That was the place we were living. We did like almost 1 month there. After the 1 month, we now went to Radisson Blue Hotel. That's the place. Even now, that's the place she's living in that hotel. It's still red, but everything will be fine soon. As I promised to make a video today to explain everything, how it started and how it is ending, because this is my last video about this subject with Idris Olaruwaju. So I was one of Idris' fan who drew his name on my laps. Yes. I'm sorry for my English. I'm not a 100% Nigeria, so I'm just trying for you guys to know what I've been through. I'm just trying to explain the truth. So I don't give a fuck if some of you don't trust me. Like, I don't care. Yes. I don't give a fuck. If you don't trust, that's your problem. Because of the 5K giveaway he has been giving you guys on his page, some of you will come and be commenting nonsense. On Sunday, before coming to Ivory Coast, this is what happened. He asked me to call the hairstylist, Hair by Yusuf. I called him in front of him. The man didn't come. The whole day, the man didn't come. So he asked me to go because we were living in the hotel. He now asked me to go to the reception that is having a friend that is coming. So when I go to the reception, that was the place I was sitting, talking with my family on the phone, all these things. So before I go there, I forgot that the hairstylist called me to say that it's coming in the morning. But when when we sleep and wake up in the morning, and I told him that the air stylist called me. He said he's coming today. And I started shouting on him. What did you tell me yesterday? What did you tell me yesterday? And I said, but it didn't call, like, I was there. I was down in the reception. You were with your phone. I was trying to explain myself. Now hit me with a speaker, a heavy speaker, a iron heavy speaker. So now he made a lying that she should show you the mark on her face. When you hit me, the blood was coming from my inside my hair. It's not outside. Inside my hair. This is the medicine you send your brother to go and buy for me. I can't lie. I'm in Ivory Coast. This is the Nigerian medicine. This is the Nigerian number. This is the medicine. They wrote it in English. It's not in French. This is the Nigerian medicine. So if I was wound outside my hair, you won't buy this type of medicine. Because this thing you drop it inside your hair. You won't buy this type of medicine. This is Nigerian medicine. I can't gain anything lying. This is the medicine you bought for me. This is the medicine you run and bought for me because I was bleeding from inside my hair to outside. I can't gain anything lying. This is the medicine. This is in English. You don't have this type of rubber in Ivory Coast. So stop lying on me. I can't gain anything lying. Yes, this is my chain. This is the chain you borrow for me and snap with it. This is my bag. I bought it in Ivory Coast. The chain and the bag. This is my own. You don't have this thing in Nigeria. Stop lying. Stop lying. Goat, animal. You're a wicked person, a wicked boy, a wicked gay, a wicked woman. Stop lying on people. If you can't help people, you didn't send us to drill your name, but you promised us. You were chasing for cloth for fame in Instagram, trying to talk to people. Hey, I will take you to Dubai. I will take you. Okay, you can say me I'm lying today. Is Anuma bit lying? She's the first person that drew you. Did you took her to Dubai? Did you took her to Dubai? What about Good Luck Mother? What about all those people? Now they are texting you. You are blocking them. So, for my hotel, the second day, I went to his house. That was the first time, and I met Good Luck and his grandmother. So, that was the day he spread money on Good Luck's grandmother, all this thing. He made a video and posted it on Instagram. I was there. He only spread 100K on Good Luck's grandmother. He didn't spread all the money. He spread only 100K. Yes, and I was there. I'm sorry for you guys saying that, but you were there when he was saying that how much is this spread. If you can go back on that video and watch that video again, I was not even prepared to say that yes, I was there, because I was just laughing. I was laughing because I knew that he's lying. This is how he lied. He asked me to say 200. It's my boss that time. I was working with him, so I can't say, madam, no, you are lying. No. If you were...
My journey people, when I don't hear their fake life. So, all those one wey Bobrisky come dey show us, na lie or just be. Yeah, na wow. So all those... So all those money, all those... Because really, they get the laugh that day when they talk, and they get just the laugh. Because the girl no say the lie. Hey, now what Bobrisky? You know, so now be fake life. When I come show us for camera finish, whereas now lie, now just the lie. Now just they deceive on ourselves. My darling people, anything wanna think about the video, wanna leave in a comment. These people are just fake life, like they live.